Hey everyone, I'm Nikhil here. Now in this video I'm going to show you some cool new websites in which you can explore lots and lots of retro Mac and Windows operating systems. And the first one is pcjs.org, and yes, I'll keep these links in description. And in this website you can see all of these IBM and Windows softwares which are available, and these are all for free. So you can explore all these things including Windows 95, as you can see. And the next website is this jamesfriend.com.au, and in this website you can see retro Mac stuff. If you explore a little bit, you can find lots of amazing stuff in these websites. So that's for now guys, I'll talk to you in my next video. Subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos like this. If you like this video, click the like button, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.